Foundation. Cowboys lose 31-35 to the Green Bay Packers. Congratulations to the Packers. I'll get to Aaron Rodgers in a second, but I gotta say that, when you say you gave away this game, we gave away this game. We up 21-6. We get lucky on a call that goes our way, and then we flush it down the toilet with a, agree with it or not. I didn't agree with it, but we got a roughing the pass penalty. I mean, one, they say he's in the grass, so that's a sack, right? I mean, I'm like, these rules nowadays is so gray. It's like, okay, he's in the grass, so is that a sack or what? Oh, if he's in the grass, then he cannot throw a what you call intentional grounding. Okay, but then you call the roughing the pass penalty. What is it? I mean, you're gonna allow the quarterback to go at the last second. I mean, if I'm a defender and I'm getting paid, I'm gonna make that hit. I'm gonna go for that hit. But regardless, they called it whatever. That happens, and then we get called for a face mask penalty. We had them on third down again. Penalty gives them another chance. And then we get lucky on both touchdowns. We get 2 field goals. But one thing, Aaron Rodgers going to halftime. We have a chance to go maybe a field goal up. Maybe go put another field goal. We get that sack fumble, and then we just went, screw it already. But you know what? When I saw Aaron Rodgers, like, okay, I knew that was in his mind. And then I knew our offense was going. We cannot be high octane all the time, but I knew our offense was going to stuff. And right there, bang, sure enough, we go into a slump. And then our defense finally gets a stop. No penalties, no nothing. Then Dak throws a pick 6. Yes, I'm not blaming Dak. I mean, yeah, the ball was thrown a little bit hard, whatever. But it hits T. Will right in his chest, and he lets it pop up right in the air. I defend T. Will a lot, but that was just straight up stupid. And then finally we do what we Zeke gets going. We do what we do. What Jason Garrett preaches, posing our will, being physical, fight, and all that. And we just ram it down their throat. Then I'm thinking this now in that final error when we was outside the 10. I was thinking, like, I think they're gonna, if we go for a pass, I think they're gonna defend it just because they want to see if they can stop the clock or if get a sack, put more pressure on us and all that. But at the same, and then I was just like, let's go for the run. They might let us run, it might let us score, but at least if they tackle us, if it's a tackle, then we get to what we needed to do, get the Green Bay Packers to call a timeout. But once we threw that pass, and now I believe in Dak, and I believe that Dez is a beast in the red zone, but that wasn't the time or place for it. You just gave Aaron Rodgers an out. You just gave Aaron Rodgers, instead of him going, okay, I gotta go for the field. Nah, he didn't make anything. Man, I can go for this win. And he's already plotting that already in his head. Then the very next play, instead of getting down to maybe, let's say he gets tackled, let's say we get tackled maybe 3 yards. You get it down to maybe 49 seconds. 49 seconds. They took over the game with 11 seconds left. We win the game. And then we get the touchdown and all that. Now that's the scenarios. Now everybody gonna make their own argument. Well, it's not a guarantee we're gonna get a touchdown. Let's say Dak throws a little bit off target pass. It gets picked up. The game is over. If we get sacked, the ball goes the wrong way. The ball goes the wrong way, and then it puts more pressure on the offense to do that. Run the ball. If they're gonna let us score, might as well. At least we took time off the clock. And right there, I knew Aaron Rodgers thinking that now I'm going for the win. Screw the overtime. and all that, and we had one chance, and I don't know if they would have gotten off the field on time. I mean, they probably would have gotten it on the field goal and all that, but you never know what would have happened. But we missed the tackle and all that, and yeah, that is on the defense. But at the same time, the offense, Jason Garrett and Linehan put him in that situation. And Jordan Lewis is playing his heart out there. And I knew Aaron Rodgers was gonna attack him. And it's hard to defend. It's hard to defend that. It's almost indefensible. And then right there, we lose the game. This is no means over. I'm not panicking. I'm not even hitting the panic button. This is by far not over yet. But I'm pissed because now, as far as tiebreakers go, it puts us in a more worse situation. It takes away some of the confidence that we could have gone into the bye. Now we give the Redskins hope, and we give the Eagles even more confidence now. I mean, I'm gonna criticize Jason Garrett in this way. He preaches imposing your will. He preaches fight. He preaches being physical. That pass right there is when it's almost like he went and let's be cute. It's like he had to sneak that in there. I'll give my final thoughts. I have more to say about this, but hopefully with Anthony Hitchens and Sean Lee back and all that, giving Tyron Smith as much rest as possible and all that. I'll give some more thoughts on this right now. I want to drink the damn beer. I want to drink some damn beer and get drunk, man. But this is no way over. No way over. Mahalo for watching. Paniolo boys, go Cowboys. It ain't over.